Hi there. I am representing WebTrackOfficial.org. We provide all sorts of digital marketing solutions like web designing, social media integration, search engine optimization, graphic designing and logo designing. So if you want any services from us, contact us at support@webtrackofficial.org. In this video I am going to show you how you can set up a professional email address with Gmail. This Google service is known as Google Workspace, and it is formerly known as G Suite. One of the most noticeable advantages of Google's Workspace service is that it hosts your email for you and allows you to utilize the Gmail interface with your own domain name. As a result, it's an excellent choice for email hosting for your WordPress site. So make sure to watch the video till end and subscribe to my channel. Here you can see I am in my hosting dashboard and I've already purchased the domain. But if you want to know a step-by-step tutorial on how you can purchase a domain and connect it to hosting, you can learn by watching my video here. Now to set up Google Workspace, go to Apps. Because your hosting interface may differ, you must select the appropriate one. Now click on Google Workspace. You may see a list of options. Here you can see it says, we have no subscription, so to add a subscription, click Add New. Now you can purchase a new domain if you don't have any domain. I am going to select Existing. As you can see, my domain is auto-selected. Now the DNS servers are not using Namecheap DNS, so we'll configure it later on in this process, so leave it for now. Now select how many user accounts you want to add. I am going to select 3 accounts for now. And now click Continue. Now here you can see, for 3 accounts, it's costing me $18. Now I am going to pay through account funds, but you can attach your credit card if you want. Now click Confirm Payment to proceed. As you can see, the payment has been processed successfully. Here, you need to add your contact details. This information is used to establish a customer account with Google. You will set up Google Workspace admin account in the next step. Once you have added all the details, just click Setup. Now here you need to configure your admin account for Google. Let's fill out the details. Now click Create. Let me save the password real quick. We're almost done here. Once we add all the MX records and TXT records on the server, we can start using the Google Workspace. So let's add the records. From your cPanel, search for Zone Editor. This is where all the records are. From here, click MX Record button. Now add MX records one by one, so let's do it. The priority level and the values are given. You make sure to add them in sequence and try not to make any mistake. First record is added, now let's add the rest of the records. Now we need to delete the old records to avoid conflict. For that you need to click Manage. Click MX Records to check if the records have been added successfully. Yes, all the records have been added. Now just delete the old records by simply clicking Delete. Now click TXT option from above. Click Add Record. Now in the zone name, You need to enter in your domain, just without the www. Keep the TTL to 1200. Change the type to TXT, since we're working on TXT record. Now in the record field, add the value that Google has provided. Just click Save and we're done. All the records have been added successfully. Just to be safe, contact your hosting support and ask them to double-check if all of the records you've added were correct. Now, in order to access your Google Admin dashboard, navigate to admin.google.com. Now enter your credentials that we set up while setting up our account. Now just scroll down and click Accept Terms and Services. And here you can see, you are now logged into your Google Admin account, where you can configure your users' accounts and much more. We have already verified our domain, but click Verify again. Click Next. Now if I click Verify again, here you can see, our domain is now officially verified. If this video helped you in any way, like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you later, alligator.